Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Mac asking for password too often after sleep. So if your Mac asks for your password every single time it wakes up, even when you are only step away for a few seconds, the password delay is most likely set to immediately. While this provides a better security, it may not be convenient if you're using your Mac at the home or in trusted place. So changing the password delay can help you reduce how often you are asked to sign in. So here's how you can adjust it. First, click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to lock screen. And now here click on the drop down menu right to require password after screensaver begins or display is turned off. And maybe here you have selected immediately or after 5 seconds. That's why your Mac often asks for your Mac password to log in. So from here you can choose a longer delay time such as 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute or any other option that works for you. I prefer it as after 15 minutes, so I choose this. And you may need to enter your Mac password to verify yourself. So enter the password and follow the on-screen instructions to save the changes. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.